There are so many ways to start a painting. I'm in a great mood and feeling very confident, so in today's video, I'm starting bold, with expressive marks, colors I don't normally choose, and even some collage. It's loose, it's spontaneous, and a little chaotic. This is part 1 of a 2-part video series. Let's do this. Lately, I've been noticing how everything really does connect. The last few days have been surprisingly good. I stayed on track, I checked things off my to-do list, and I even followed through on a few things that felt a little scary. And now I feel lighter, more confident. And that's showing up here on my canvas in the way I'm painting. I usually start with mark making, but today my marks are a little edgier. I'm trying a new marker for the first time, and it reminds me of graffiti. There's more freedom in my lines. Now I'm adding paint. These are colors I don't usually choose, and I'll be honest, it feels a little scary. But I've been doing this long enough to know I need to go there. I have to push myself outside of my comfort zone because that's where the good stuff happens. In painting and in life, you just have to trust the process. I'm adding some collage papers I made myself. These are so much fun to create and use. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see how I make them, and I'll create a video for you. I'm really letting this piece wander into the messy, chaotic middle, because I know I can bring it back. That's part of the magic. When you trust yourself, the canvas starts to trust you back. Okay, so I'm leaving it here now. Wow, that looks dramatic. In part 2, I'll show you how I bring it all together and create a sense of calm. If you're curious to see how this transforms, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you enjoyed this first stage, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you like to start your paintings.